Enjoying my last few minutes before I'm working a flight this evening, a red-eye flight to New Orleans. Flying with my BFF Kelvin Martin. This should be a eventful flight. Love working with him. It's not even working, it's just like we're just sitting here getting paid to chat. Plus, we love New Orleans, so we'll definitely be eating even though I'm on a diet. So Kelvin, don't be trying to feed me every single 15 minutes. And then I'll head home to pack and iron my clothes. I'll give you guys an insight on how I pack and what I'm packing. Back to work. Happy Monday, everybody. Today I'm flying a 2-day trip to New Orleans. It's a red-eye flight. For you non-airline people, that means I'm flying in the middle of the night while you're sleeping tonight. I'm flying to New Orleans. The good news is I'm flying with my BFF Kelvin, which is always exciting. Doesn't even seem like work, so we'll just catch up as girlfriends on a trip. Oh yeah, and certain customers. Right now I'm getting ready for my trip. It's about midday, so I usually try to pack the night before or many hours before my flight, so in case any changes, I'll be ready to go. I have OCD when it comes to my uniform. This came from the cleaners, but it still wasn't good enough, so I'm just kind of bumping this shirt up and making sure that it's in compliance and come correct. Usually when I'm working with Kelvin, we call the night before and say, "Girl, what are you wearing?" And we kind of coordinate our fashion when it comes to uniforms. We try to make the best of it. We do have, a few choices. We have about 3-4 ties to choose from. We have about 2 or 3 shirts. Today I'm wearing a short sleeve checkered shirt with the wings. You have the option to wear it just the shirt, or you can wear it with a jacket. And today we are wearing it with a jacket. And speaking of the jacket, I also want to kind of steam clean that a little bit, get some of the wrinkles out. I use a steamer. It's a Conair steamer, very simple. It has low, high, turn that on. And I kind of just bump out the wrinkles there. Make sure that there's no wrinkles going on here. It's steamy today. I like this steamer. There we go, just a little bump, make sure that it's, no wrinkles. It did come from the cleaner, so it's kind of ready to go. I think today I'm going to be showing you guys how do I pack for a 2-day trip. It's a 2-day trip. I'm leaving tonight on the red eye, and then we arrive early in the morning in New Orleans. We'll probably nap for about 6 or 7 hours, and we'll get up and have lunch and tea time, high noon with Kelvin. And then we'll go exploring in New Orleans. I've been there several times. I have family that's from there. So we don't really do too much out of the French Quarter boundaries. We're staying downtown. Very nice hotel. We don't disclose the name for security reasons, but it's a very nice location right on Canal Street. But what I want to talk about today is how do I pack for a 2-day. So I'll be showing you how to pack, or how I pack for a 2-day. Some of the things I bring, the must-haves, and some of the things that I usually pack for the week. So if I have 2 trips, I'll pack for both those trips. So all I have to do is just take out my bag. So come on over and I'll show you that. So as you can see, my suitcase is empty. You probably can't see me too well because I'll be bending over and actually putting things in the suitcase. I want you to see that more than you see me. So I'm packing for a 2-day, 2-day trips. So for the week, I have 2 trips. And so today, I'm going to be putting in just a pair of jeans, a pair of shorts. I think my whole life I've been packing. I put in a pair of running shoes, which is also my walking shoes, and I put socks in there to give myself more room. There's no really rhyme or reason how to put your things in there. Then I carry 2 t-shirts that I put out, and also a long sleeve in case it gets a little chilly. New Orleans is going to be 90 degrees. Also my little rainbow tank top. So Definitely be wearing shorts tomorrow morning. Workout clothes. I definitely want to put a pair of those in there. I can try to force myself to go to the gym. Of course, underwear. Bring many shirts and underwear in case I get trapped or stranded. Another muscle shirt for my workout. A belt. A hat. Flip-flops, oh my god, must have. It's probably my top 5 must-have flip-flops. I'm telling you, weathering those hotel floors and carpets, I definitely want to make sure I have that. Usually, I'm on a diet, so I bring some of my diet food that I can hook up into the microwave. Put that in there. Lock up and close. Zip it up. I put my spare uniform shirt. I hate when I see a guy in uniform whose shirt is dirty because he wore it the day before. That's it. Close it out. I use the 4-wheel. We have an option to use a 2-wheel or 4-wheel issued by the company. It is a Tumi bag. And you either love this bag or you hate this bag. Right now, I'm liking the bag. It's very durable and sturdy. And I use my little tennis ball, I don't know if you can see that, as my indicator, because all bags do look alike and people will take your bag. That's it. Simple, easy. I've been doing that for 30 years. I forgot to show you my accessory bag, better known as my makeup bag. This is where things I put in that I can grab and go, and also my toiletries and anything extra, like when I work on the airplane I have to wear an apron, so I keep that handy. Don't go anywhere without my Beats by Dre. Takes a village to make me look good, all my toiletries. All my accessory cords to keep me blogging and blogging. And that's pretty much it. And it pretty much fits on top of my roller bag. Like a little slide there, put it there. And I'm off. Now that I finished packing, took a disco nap, hopped in a lift car, heading to the airport to do what I do best, serve the public. It's about a 4-hour flight to New Orleans. Most people sleep during the red eye, so I just have to stay awake myself. And I'm flying the lead purser. I'll be making all the announcements and working in the first class cabin. Once I get into New Orleans, I usually take a nap for about 6 hours. Then get up and head to the gym, work out for a little bit, and then sightsee. I'll see you at the airport. Arrived at the airport, and guess who else is here? The rugby team. I'm not sure what team they are, but maybe they're on my flight. Now I'm heading to the base to do my briefing as lead and meet my fellow crew members, and I'll be on my way off. Well, I made it safely to work. I'm here in my office right now where I get all my paperwork ready and conduct my briefing. Pretty soon my crew will be showing up and we go over some of the issues that would be going on during the flight, like weather, how many pets and unaccompanied minors are on board, meet and greet. A lot of times you meet new crew members when you show that briefing. It could be their first day, or they could be there for 55 years flying. That was my flying partner whispering over my shoulders. Anyway, that's about it. See you up in the air. It's almost boarding time, showtime. Mary Kay, Mary Sue, Mary Jo. You see me? You are, what do you call that when you jump in somebody's picture? You are photobombing. You're photobombing, yeah. All right, see you in the air. Bye.
You guys ready?
Yeah, I feel it.
Yeah, we're good. Thank you.
Well, that trip is over. We're in the van heading to the hotel. How was the trip, Kelvin? Was it that bad? We had a screaming baby on board. And he was an adult. No. Finally made it to my hotel room. I could barely keep my eyes open on the flight. But it was a nice flight. No drama. Pretty easy. This is my hotel room. Very basic, but clean, which is always what I look for. Nice big bed for me. And I got a great view. I got a view of the Mississippi River, the old mighty Mississippi. And it's about sunrise in the morning. You can see the sun popping up. Here we are at the world famous Cafe du Monde. It was one of the first places that reopened once Katrina had happened. Ronaldo's first time. Kelvin's 20th time. This never gets old, New Orleans. It's about 80, a little hot, you know, sweating a little bit, but not like just bearable yet. It's a breeze.
One of the nicest days you can ever imagine.
Dinner time.
Eliza was saying,
That is crab au gratin.
Lisa's gonna be pissed that I'm telling you because she didn't, she doesn't want everybody to know.
Seafood gumbo.
Lisa took, yeah, tell you with me. I knew about
Alligator. What is
Lisa
that?
took me.
Alligator what?
Biz.
Alligator bis. What you got, gumbo?
No, it's a crawfish biz kind of a thing.
Oh,
Crawfish.
bis. Okay, we got a little variety going on here. Okay. It's good, y'all. It's good.